First of all, you got to make sure that you learn the strategy first. Before you spend money on any paid advertising, I would recommend you learn and you take the time to invest into a course that's going to teach you how to strategically do paid advertising, whatever you choose. I would recommend that you start with solo ads because that's the easiest form of paid traffic. And it's also the cheapest one out there right now. And you can actually go out there, search for solo ad providers, and strategically just do paid advertising with them that way. And also another thing, if you want to get higher conversion rates without spending more on ads, what you want to focus on is you want to focus on getting high opt-in rates. I would recommend that in order to get a good high opt-in rate, I would opt in for 40% or higher. If you have a low opt-in rate on your landing page, it's going to be impossible to get any good conversions. And I know that from my own testing because I've tested some solo ad providers, which some of them absolutely sucked. And when I took a look at my opt-in rate, I noticed that my conversion rate was also poor. So if you have a really low opt-in rate, chances are your conversion rate is going to be bad too. But the higher the opt-in rate is, the more better chances that you have at increasing your conversion rate. Now, there's a lot of factors to keep in mind when it comes to getting higher opt-ins and higher conversions. And it could be one of two things. Number one, it could be the pages that you're using. Maybe there needs to be some tweaks in them if you see the numbers are very low and not doing well. The second thing is maybe you're using pages that are already oversaturated because there's so many other affiliates using those same exact pages when they're going out and doing paid advertising. That can be another reason why you're not seeing good opt-in rate and good conversion rate. And then the third thing is when you're if you're buying traffic from a solo ad provider, and let's say you know the numbers on your pages work, it could be that whoever you're doing business with is providing you crappy traffic. So I would highly recommend, if you haven't done this already, make sure that you take the time to invest into a course that's going to help you understand how to strategically do paid advertising. Don't be like what most people do, buy the most amount of clicks in the package, and then you're hoping for the best. You can't operate your business that way. You have to learn how to strategically do paid advertising so that you can minimize the risk and maximize the ROI. Keep that in mind going forward.